Hello everyone, today we are taking a look at the Milestones HS510. I've already done a review on this drone and I will link that video in the description below, but we're going to be taking a look specifically today at the camera. It shoots 4K photos as well as 4K videos at 16 frames per second to go along with 2.5K videos with 25 frames per second. So we're going to see how good this camera truly is. Before we take a look at the content that this drone produces, I'd like to thank you guys for a couple milestones that we have achieved. First of all, our number one video is now over 1,000 views. Also, as of the making of this video, we have 81 subscribers, which means we are 19 away from 100. So if you could hit that subscribe button, I would really appreciate it. A little more than a week ago, I made a video on the Milestones HS510, and that video is almost at 500 views, and it's on pace to break 1K views within the first month of it being out, which is just crazy. So thank you guys so much. Also, I'd like to shout out this guy. Alright guys, so anyways, let's get into the content. Now, as you can see, this drone does not have a gimbal, so we will see how good this content truly looks as a finished product. Alright guys, so we're out here at the field, and now we're going to take this guy up and do a flight test. So, first thing we need to do is turn on the drone. It should beep like this. Next up, you turn on the controller. Wait for it to beep. After you hear that 2 beeps, then you take both sticks, push them down and to the left. Hear another 2 beeps. Now you see this flashing up here. That means it's ready for compass calibration. This is flashing orange, which means we give this guy a 360-degree spin like this. We should wait until it turns flashing green, which means we angle it up now and we do the spin. And then once it's solid, we set it down. Alright guys, so my drone is out there and we're going to be doing a return to home test. That is the home point right there. So we're going to hit the return to home button. And we're going to see how accurate this is. It's right above us right now. And I want to see how accurate. You can probably see that dot right there. That is the drone. I'm not using my microphone right now, so the audio quality is not going to be too great. But we'll see. Here we are, the pad is right there. Alright, so that's where it landed. So it's that far from the landing pad. So, not great, but not horrible. Alright guys, so that is the footage. This thing shoots 4K photos. Obviously 2 4K videos and 16 frames per second to go along with its 2.5K video. But if you're going to buy this drone, you want to buy this to take photos. It is a foldable drone and it's very easy to move around with you, considering that they give you this nice small case. I would definitely recommend this to people who are looking for a vacation drone to take pictures and they don't want to spend over, let's say, $200. This drone would be perfect for you. So that is my opinion on who should be buying this drone. So if I missed anything, I will link it in the description, and I will also link the review that I made for this drone in the description. Make sure you guys go check that out right after this video. Anyways, thank you for watching until the end. Make sure you subscribe. We are on the grind to 100 subscribers. Thank you so much, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.